Hey folks, it's Greg. You're watching Greg's Country Cabin Outdoors. Hope you're having a great day. This morning, as I drove to work, the snow was blowing terrible, the wind was horrendous, and there were whiteout conditions right here in this area. And as you can see right now, there are no whiteout conditions. There's no snow. It's all gone. And it's only 8.5, 9 hours later. So, if you like to change or the changing weather, stick around. Guaranteed it's going to change. Welcome to the heart of Illinois. Oh, I drove in that weather. The roads were icy. It was extremely slick. And the wind was howling, and I was driving a bus. So, yeah, the wind was kind of tossing me around a little bit. Anyway, that's my little rant. Have a great day. Good talking to you again. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.